My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the site Longpink.shop. Longpink.shop is a deceptive website that may suddenly attack your browser. It displays pretty misleading and faulty messages that try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up by Longpink.shop displays pretty scary messages. Here it says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. But this information is totally faulty and absolutely deceptive. If you interact with these pop-ups and if you download or install anything that they suggest, pretty soon you may be forced to download and install some other totally different software. So be very careful. The reason why you see these pop-ups on your computer screen is because the browser may be contaminated with multiple ads. Some of them you see in the right part of your screen right now. So you should not trust these pop-ups on one hand, and on the other hand, you should immediately implement certain measures to fix your browser. Go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then click on Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions section and click on Notifications. Now pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. And you might find some malicious websites here on the list. You should undertake the measures to remove all these malicious sites causing such multiple ads on your screen. So after you remove all these malicious sites, the trouble should be fixed. You can do it automatically, by the way, with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it through this green download button, install the program and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.